Heights today, West 152nd Street between Broadway and Amsterdam. We are in a second floor walk-up. Let's walk down this hall. It's going to take us to our open living room kitchen. Stainless steel appliances, including dishwasher, microwave, a lot of granite counter preparation space, cherry wood cabinets, pass-through bar, bringing us to our living room area here. You could easily fit a sectional sofa, entertainment center, coffee table, and an accent chair here. Let's go back to the master bedroom. This is very large. This could actually fit a king. Double wide floor to ceiling walk-in with overhead storage. Two really nice windows. This could easily fit a king, probably a queen with nightstands. So let's retrace our steps through the living room area here. Taking us back to the bathroom. Bathtub was just reglazed. Clean white tiled. And the second bedroom is a little bit smaller. Again, you could do a queen here, but a full would allow some room for nightstands. So let's retrace our steps. We're in the smaller of the two bedrooms. We're going to retrace down the hallway, taking us back to the kitchen and the living room area. Come on down. If you're interested in Hamilton Heights, this two-bedroom would be perfect. It's on West 152nd Street. There's laundry in the building, and it's a very well-managed and maintained building. Thanks for watching.